What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing. I already put my stuff in this bag and everything like that, but yeah, I'm just gonna do an unboxing. And so as you can see, I like fur. I enjoy fur purses. My favorite shoes to wear are UGG, even though I don't have them on right now. I'm wearing my Vans right now, but my favorite shoes to wear are UGG and things like that. And so I'm just show y'all the bag. This is my Kurt Geiger London bag. You can see the little eagle head, and it is absolutely amazing. The fur feels wonderful. Now this is the XXL Kensington tote. Yeah, and so you could wear it. Okay. Ooh. So you could wear it like this, you know, or you could wear it on your shoulder like this. Or you could wear it crossbody like this. Or you could wear it on the shoulder like that. It is so freaking cute, and I absolutely love this bag. I ordered it the same day. So I ordered it at Nordstrom this morning, and I just came from Nordstrom to pick it up, and it is just absolutely divine. I absolutely love this bag. It's so cute, especially for fall and winter, especially the fur version. Now, I don't know, I fell in love with these bags on TikTok. Actually, it has a nice little chain right here. The other one I want, it's leather, and it has all black accents and things like that. Like the chain is leather, the eagle head is leather, and then the purse is leather. I mean, the chain is black, the eagle head is black. It's all it's a blacked out purse. I'm getting that one next. I paid about $325 for this bag. I've seen everyone get the color except black, and I want it to be different. I saw orange, I saw pink, I saw gray, but I haven't seen anyone get the classic black. And most of my outfits are black. Black goes with everything. So I was like, this bag is perfect. Now, I don't pay over $300 for a bag because that's just not me. But this bag was $325. I just wanted to really just splurge on myself because my YouTube anniversary is okay, so my YouTube birthday was October 1st, and my YouTube anniversary, the day I got monetized on YouTube, is Halloween night, October 31st. So I was like, you know what, I worked hard, so let me just do something for my YouTube anniversary. Just buy myself something, and this is what I bought. Yeah, so this is the inside. As you can see, I have my stuff in here already because I'm gonna carry this bag. But this is the inside. It's very, very nice, very, very spacious. You have a slot for you to put stuff, and then the inside of the bag is just very nice and very spacious. Yo, when I tell y'all I'm in love, so how you close this bag is you can literally just flap it over, and it should just magnet. I love this bag. It's so freaking cute, perfect for the fall and winter. And I actually have a jacket that will go with this tote as well. It's the same feel fur, and yeah, so I'm excited to wear that jacket. I'm excited to put some outfits together with this bag because it's just so freaking cute. I love it. Oh my god. And it comes with a dust bag. Just says Kurt on it. Mr. Kurt. Okay. But yeah, I love this bag. I am definitely going to be styling this bag. It's so cute. I think everyone should have the fur version, honestly. Now, okay, I fell in love with the brown one, the teddy fur. I fell in love with that one, but I was like, you know what? I already have a teddy bag. I already have a big teddy tote, which is this one right here. And I really like this one. I already have a teddy tote. So I was like, you know what? And I got that from Target. If y'all want that, I got that from Target. But I was like, you know what? I have a black fur tote, but it's not that big, you know, as you can see. It's not that big, and I wanted a big one. So I was like, you know what? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, y'all, I'm excited. So now we're just gonna do a little what's in my bag. I put basic stuff in here. So we have Fenty lip gloss, my eyeglasses case because I'm blind, wipes, L brand wipes, best wipes ever, body spray, lotion, Lysol, keys, sanitizer, my mirror, deodorant, my AirPod case, and then my wallet. I just stuck with my black Michael Kors wallet because I wasn't finna buy a new wallet. The purse is already black. I don't need a new wallet. And yeah, that's it. That's all that's in here, y'all. So let me know if you like my new bag. Not congratulate me, but make sure you tell me happy anniversary on Halloween night. Cause yeah, I've been on YouTube. Y'all, this has been like a great journey for me. Like, I started my channel 2 years ago and I had 2 subscribers. One of those subscribers was my brother. So it has been a really good journey. It's been long, but I'm finally starting to see progress as far as my channel and on TikTok and on Instagram. I'm finally starting to see progress. And I absolutely love that for me. Like, I absolutely love this for me. I love doing videos for y'all. I love doing tutorials, story times. I love giving y'all hair tips and tricks and things like that. I just reviews. I love what I do. And it just makes me so happy that other people love what I do as well. You know, I get a lot of good feedback, and you know, this is my diary sometimes too. Like, sometimes when I don't feel like I can talk to anybody, I get on here and I say what I have to say. You know what I'm saying? Like, with everything that happened to me in May. Okay, if you don't know, I went through a really hard time in May. And I had to make a really hard decision. And yeah. And I also made a video about it. And I just want to thank everyone who still comments on that video and leaves good comments and good feedback. And I know it warms my heart to know that I helped so many people with that video. It got some negative feedback, but that's okay. As a content creator, you're gonna get some backlash. However, the good definitely outweighed the bad. The positivity definitely outweighed the negativity, and I definitely appreciate that. And any woman who has gone through the same thing or is going through the same thing, I'm with you. Okay? I'm with you. Whatever your decision, I'm with you. and you definitely made the right decision for you. Don't ever let nobody tell you that the decision that you made for yourself was a bad one. You know? Ever. So yeah. That's all I have to say. And yeah. I'm just proud of where I am. I'm not where I want to be yet. However, I'm proud of where I am, and I'm humble where I am right now. And I wouldn't have it any other way right now. Because right now I am genuinely happy, and everybody tells me I'm glowing for some reason. I'm not sure what that's about, but everybody tells me I'm glowing. Oh, and I have a skincare routine for y'all too. I have a skincare routine. That will probably be the next video I record, my skincare routine. But yeah, so thank y'all for rocking with me. Thank you for sticking with me. Like I said, I'm not where I want to be yet, but this YouTube is definitely an outlet. Like creating content and things like that, this is definitely an outlet for me. So I appreciate every single last one of you, even my negative comments, because you took the time out of your day to watch Kyla Latrice. How you feel? So yeah, happy anniversary to me. My anniversary is on Halloween. Thank you so much for sticking by me, and thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice. That's my brother in the back. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.